Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today has something really super extra special. We are going to unbox, review, and do an extensive testing on the new MOVO WMX-2 Duo wireless lavalier. Now, right here you will see that it is an ultra compact 2.4 gigahertz dual channel wireless microphone system. Now what makes this extra special and unique is this was sent to me for free by MOVO. Now, I have used MOVO products in the past. In fact, I use them quite extensively. The MOVO LV4O microphone, lavalier mic, which is actually what I'm using right now. If everything goes well, you're listening to this. And on my close-up camera right here, you will see the dual microphone, which is what I used on my trip to Maine. This is also by MOVO. Now they did see my extensive review of these items, and they contacted me and said, hey, do you want to review this? I said, absolutely. Except I want to know what your terms and conditions are. Because I have had other companies in the past contact me and they said there are certain things I had to say or certain things I couldn't say. I didn't want that. If I was going to review something, I was going to review it. And I was going to give my honest opinion and I was going to test it out extensively. MOVO said, okay, we'll send it to you. So there you go. Just got it in the mail today. And it was sent from MOVO USA from Los Angeles, California. And they call it the MOVO WMX-2 Duo dual microphone lavalier microphone system with charging case. Woohoo! Now, what's on the box? Again, you saw what I was just going over. On the side, it has all the all the MOVO information, such as their website, the Facebook page, Twitter, and of course, you gotta have YouTube, and then whatever that is. Yes, I know what it is. So anyway, if you go to there, you can kind of figure that out. Also, you have on the back information about what's in the box and things of that nature. You can also scan the QR code to activate your 2-year warranty. That's right. Ta-da! Even on top of the box, it says, hey, don't forget to activate your 2-year warranty. A 2-year warranty. Now that is awesome. Okay, so that means they really stand behind their products and they really think that their products are good. Okay, let's find out. So opening the box, they got that tape on there really, really good. Bling. So we get my magical scissors. Alrighty. Nice little tab here. Pull that open. Nothing else in the box. Pull that out. There's a little Go Creative MOVO. That's nice. Take advantage of exclusive offers from our software partners. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, so let's try to get into the accessory bag. Ooh, the accessory bag has a bag in it with MOVO happy. MOVO not happy. So, oh, you can go in there and do a complaint or kudos. Nice. MOVO's creators wanted. that's a sticker, not sure. And then of course you have your, let's see, English and, oh, it's all English. Okay, you have an English manual. So I guess wherever you're at, just make sure you get the correct verbiage for your country. Inside, ooh, that's a nice bag. All right, so open this up. You have a TRRS to TRS connector. Nice. So that would be for like your smartphone. Okay, and then you have a TRS to TRS connector, which would go into usually like DSL cameras, those kind of things. And then you have, ooh, you have the charging cable. So a USB-A to USB-C. You have, ooh, okay. Oh, you have a wait. Just wait until I get this out. So there's the weight, and I'll show you what that is for a little bit later. And you have two lavalier microphones. You have lots of dead cats and clips and foam covers for the microphone. The lavalier microphone, that is. So there's your essentially pop filters. Well, they gave you a couple different ones there in case you lose some. And of course you have your clips. Nice. And then some other dead cats. Now these bigger dead cats actually go on the base unit itself. And I'll show you where that goes on. I just kind of clip right on, which is kind of nice. All right, and they gave you some spares as well. Inside the box, you have another box. Okay, just wanted to make sure there wasn't anything hidden under there. All right, so in this box, just slide this piece of plastic off. There we go. And then on the back, I'm gonna try to move it if you can see it. It says, of course, MOVO, the model. This is the case. Battery, it is 3,000 milliamp hour, made in China. Okay. Now what you have on the box, this side, nothing. This side, you have the hinge. Front, you have a push button so that when you push the button, it opens up. Here, you have a USB-C because this box is actually not only a charging box, but it has a battery in the box so that once this is charged up, you can just take this with you. And this is actually a charging unit, a wireless charging unit. Like you don't have to plug this thing in. This is the battery, the backup battery, the charging unit. So you're charging this up. And ta-da! These just fit right in there. See the little charging points? Goes right in there, charges up. And you have 7 hours, supposedly, on the transmitters. Now this is the receiver over here. RX is receiver. TX is transmitter. So you have two transmitters. They will last 7 hours. Then you can put these back in just the box. It doesn't have to be charging up, just in the box. It'll actually charge up and give you another 7 hours. So each of these will give you 14 hours. So that's 24 hours. No, okay, 7, 7, 4, 28 hours. Even even I can't talk 28 hours straight. Well, maybe, but probably not. Also over here, we have the charging port, the Type-C. You also have a little button. Well, that little button, you push the button and it tells you how much juice you have in there. Ooh, it's 3/4 full, which means to me that this thing wasn't just sitting in a warehouse for like months on end. That's fairly fresh. So let's take a better look at the inside of the box. Again, you have two transmitters. Now on the back, you do have a cover on the charging point that you do have to take off, which will expose the charging points. Put that in there, and you can see that it is charging. Haha! And then same thing with this one. Put that in there, and it's charging. Now for the receiver, put that on there. Haha! It's alive. So now what we'll do, we'll go ahead and just let them go, let them charge up 100% full, and we'll be back for not only a testing, extensive test, but also a review. Stay tuned. A cool thing that I've seen with this receiver is the clip back here. And I'm not sure if a majority of wireless receivers do this or not, but I know some of them don't. And that is on a code shoe, at least the Ulanzi code shoe. I'll put a link down below to that one that I put onto the Osmo Pocket. If you take a look, it slips right in there. Really neat. And of course it clamps down. And that's what you got. It's on there nice and sturdy. To plug the receiver into the Osmo Action, of course you do have to have the TRS to TRS in this case. If it's, you know, a iPhone or something like that, you might have to have the TRS to TRRS. But in this case, again, it's the TRS to TRS. You plug the microphone out into the external microphone in on the block. Kind of turn it up a little bit so you can see the screen. Setting up the transmitter is very, very simple. If you want to use the internal microphone of the transmitter, but you're going outside, then all you have to do is take the dead cat. There's like these little clips right here. All you do is these little receiving clips or holes. You just pop that in, and it's on there. Now if, on the other hand, you want to use the external microphone, or the external lavalier rather, all you do is, there is a mic line in hole right there, little plug. All you do, take a lavalier, push it all the way in, and since we're going outside, we're going to go ahead and put a little foam cover on it, little pop filter. And then you clip on the little gator clip. Then you just turn it on, and you turn it on by hitting the little mute button. You hold it in for 3 seconds, 2, 3. You see MOVO right there. And then on the side here, see set and back. That's actually plus and minus as well. And you can see a plus and minus on the buttons. I don't think it's showing up on the camera, but there is a plus minus on there. And then all you do, bring it down to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Not sure why they have 0, since they have a mute button, but they do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to start out at 5, I think, for our test. But that's all there is to it. And there is also a plus minus gain on the receiver. So you can put 5 on this, 5 on the other one, and you have a 10 plus gain. At least that's the way I understand the instructions. All right, let's see if this thing works.